Good day, everyone. This is Anand Ebenezer here. Today, I'm going to show you how you can take your LinkedIn account from the current state to the highest state that you can ever think of. So, most people have a challenge of growing their LinkedIn account. People reach out to me in my inbox is telling me it's difficult to grow their LinkedIn account and how do they go about such things. Okay, so I took my account from zero to over 16,000 followers. So I know exactly how I did it. I'm going to guide you. Okay, so let's begin. So first, if you are not following me, be sure to follow me. Follow me and turn on the notification, the bell over there so that you can receive prompts whenever I post anything. So first thing you need to do is the basic setup of your account. That one most of us know how to go about. I'll not waste my time on it. Let's go straight forward. So the first thing you need to do is on the platform, most of us, how you connect with others on the platform is as simple as this. You go to the My Network tab, then you assess the people the platform is recommending for you. You just go out there, you send connection requests straightforward. That's the mistake most of us are doing. So when the platform recommends people to you, it's doing that based on the fact that the people that you are connected to have connection with people, it thinks you might know them. As simple as that. And remember, the LinkedIn platform, it works in this way. You send out connection request, the person have to accept the request. So if you send connection request, the mistakes most of us make here is that we send connection requests to people who are not active on the platform. So if you keep sending connection requests to people who are not active on the platform, don't expect for your network to grow. As simple as that. Let's begin. So how do we check whether the person is active or not? This is the approach. So the first thing you do is to go to the person's profile. When you visit the person profile, Mr. Salah, this is all in the community of learning. Yeah. So what you do is you go to the activity tab. The activity tab, be sure to check the post section, the comment section to see whether the person is active. So the last post that she made was 2 months ago, and the last comment was 4 months ago. And you can even go deeper by clicking show all section. Yeah. When you go to the show all section to give you exactly, some people are not posting on the platform, but they're active by reacting to certain posts. Yeah. So let's check the last reaction that she made on the platform to see whether she's active or not. Yeah, the last reaction she made was 1 month ago. So basically, I cannot send connection requests. We cannot send connection requests to her because she's not active on the platform to be able to even accept. Yeah. So based on this, you get to know whether the person is active or not before you even send out the connection request. Let's check Mr. Mark. Yeah. So the approach is simple. Visit the person's profile. When you visit the person's profile, go down to the activity section. The activity section, just click on show all beneath it. Yeah. So the show all section will give you a glimpse of how active the person is on the platform. Let's check the post to see how frequently he's posting. The last post he made was 1 year ago. And let's check the comments. The last comments he made was 5 days ago. Although he posted, some people do not normally post on platform, but they're active by commenting, reacting to posts. The last comment was 6 days ago. Let's check the reactions. The last reaction he made was 6 days ago. So I can say he's active, let's say within a week period, like active that range. It's okay. You can send out connection requests to him. So that's basically how you check the activity of people on the platform before you send connection requests to. Yeah. So use this approach whenever you want to send any connection request to anyone. If the person is not active on the platform, the person cannot accept it. So don't send connection requests to people who are not active on the platform. Secondly, if you want exactly how I do mine, I use a better and faster approach. Most of us will say going through their profile one after the other is a lot of work, and doing that wastes a lot of time. Okay, so I have another approach that helps you to connect with people faster without even going out to check their profile. And it helps you connect to people who are interested in what you're doing. So that approach is way faster. You get the result faster. You connect with people who are active on the platform. Let's say a minute ago, a second ago, like let's say an hour, within that hour range. So you know that these people are active on the platform. You get the results faster. You can get the results within the day. Be sure to check the link in the description. I will guide you. I'll give you access to my blueprints, exactly how I do mine, so that you can grow on LinkedIn at a faster pace. You get direct access to me. You can message me. I'll guide you. And let's say if you have any challenge on maybe doing, there are some people who are very busy and they will not get time doing it, but they know it's important. Be sure to reach out to me. I have a team that we can support you grow your LinkedIn account at a faster pace. Yeah. So thanks for watching this video. I'll drop a link to my blueprint so that you can access it by becoming a member of my community. I'm running a membership program that will help people grow their LinkedIn accounts. They get access to my blueprints. I give them all the guides. I monitor their progress. I make sure they are growing at a faster pace. So if you want to join this community, be sure to use the link to join my membership community. From there, I'll guide you. You gain access to my blueprints. You can connect with people at a faster pace and everything. You gain direct access to me. You can message me, everything. I'll guide you throughout the process. I'll hold your hand, step by step guide you, monitor your progress. If you're doing any mistake, help correct your profile, how to enrich it and everything. I'll guide you throughout the process. So if you want access to my blueprints, you want to be part of my community, be sure to check the link on this video. Check the link on this video so you gain access to my membership program. When you come to the community, I'll help you grow your LinkedIn account. As simple as that. For now, use this knowledge and be sure to check my membership program. Thanks very much for your time. I'm very grateful. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.